What are you playing with there, Eric?
I'm just showing you this little set.
Is this the icy boulder chase?
Yeah.
Oh, look at this.
And that's why
Whoa!
he's a really fast Thomas.
Yeah, there he goes. What do you think of this set?
I think it's quite cool. And you see this here?
Yeah.
This makes that go up. This is the boulder down. And this one's here.
Oh yeah, and that tips down, yeah?
Yeah, and here.
Okay.
So that
Oh, it didn't quite do
it
it.
Needs to go back. This is the one.
So do you think Carter would like this set?
Yeah. Amazing.
You give it a thumbs up?
Oh,
I did. Oh, okay. Whoa. We'll wait and see Thomas come around. Where is he? Oh, he's gonna get the boulder. Here he comes. Whee!